So hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to create this trading website using HTML and CSS. And by the way guys, I know it's too late because I got busy in some works, and don't worry, I will show you okay in future when it's completed. Okay, but before that, welcome Krista who joined our new member. Okay, now let's start this demo session here. So here is our trading website. If I just refresh this, you can see the design. It looks perfect with some hover effects as well. Okay, start with the logo here. So here we have logo, and then we have links here, nav links with a button that is login and sign up. Then after that we have a button here with a background, and yeah, it's look perfect, I know. By the way, this is the card hover with a button hover as well. Okay, and if I just go below, here is our another section with a hover effect. Now if I just go below, here we have a client review section. Okay, then we have pricing section here as well, where you can just add basic, professional or elite. Okay, here we have a joining account, like if someone wants to join, they can come here and create. Okay, and this hover effect looks perfect. Then here we have a footer here as well. Okay, you can see this design looks perfect with a on social media. Here is a so on the social media here you can see the hover effect looks good with a hover effect on these links as well. Okay, so after that, after this one, let's check out the responsiveness, because responsiveness it matters. Okay, so if I just go here and open, you can see the responsive looks perfect. Here we have a hamburger menu, and if I just go below, everything aligned perfectly. Okay, so now let's check in tablet version as well. So here we have a tablet version, and here you can see it looks perfect. Here you can see the design is aligned perfectly here as well, and everything looks perfect. Okay, so if you guys have any issues or anything, just let me know, because I'm going to start this series here for this trading website, and I know someone commented me to create this website. Okay, so that's why I've created this one. And if you guys have any issues, just tell me. Okay, I will just start this series in just few days, not few days after this. Okay, this is a demo session, just a demo session. Okay, so keep in mind, and I will just cover this in 2 or 3 videos, okay, with a complete source code as well. So don't worry guys, you will get everything. Okay, so see you in the next video guys. That's all for today. So guys, that's all for today. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. So thanks for watching.